Hello students, now let's check the exercises of lesson number 2. Pick out first exercise. Pick out noun phrase in each sentence. First sentence, slow and steady win the race. Here noun phrase it is slow and steady. Okay, slow and steady it is noun phrase. Second, horses prefer living in dark stables. So here living in dark stables it is noun phrase. Now to write such rubbish is disgraceful. Now in third one, to write such rubbish is a noun phrase. Okay. This is work as a subject of a verb is. Okay, in first sentence, slow and steady is also subject of a wins. Then living in a dark stable is a object of prefer. Okay, then to write such rubbish is also subject of verb is. Okay, now fourth one, have you ever tried climbing a hill? So climbing a hill is a noun phrase and it works as a object of a verb tried. Okay. Now my father wished to see the principal. To see the principal is noun phrase and it is work as the object of a verb wished. Okay. Now you're doing such a thing surprises me. Now you're doing such a thing is a noun phrase and it work as a subject or a object. Verb ની આગળ આવ્યું છે, so subject હશે કે object હશે? Very good, it is work as a subject of a verb. Verb નું subject છે. Okay, now Raymond refused to answer my question. Now to answer my question is a noun phrase and is the phrase is work as object or subject. Verb ની આગળ પાછળ આવ્યું છે, તો object or subject. Okay, verb ની પાછળ આવ્યું, it means it is work as an object. Why do you like visiting such a man? Now visiting such a man is a noun phrase. Now how it work is object or a subject. It work is as a object of a verb like. Okay, like ની પાછળ આવી છે, verb ની પાછળ આવી છે. Okay, like this in all the sentences you have to find out the noun phrase. Okay, now second exercise, complete each sentences using a noun phrase. Here you can write your own phrase. Remember that don't make here a clause नहीं बनाओ, only phrase बनाओ. Okay, which has not its own subject and predicate and subject नहीं होવું જોઈએ, તો એને શું કહેવાય? It's a simple group of words. Okay, I dislike telling lies. Okay, such as I promise to work harder. Third one, he denies taking the books. Okay, just like this, all the sentences and all the blanks you have to fill your own, try yourself. Okay, and check the answers in answer key which are given in the last pages of the books. Okay, now turn the page here. Pick out noun clause in each sentences. Now you have to find out noun clause. So clause is identify very easily. Why? Because they mostly started with relative pronouns like that, what, which, who, whom. Okay, and if they are not started with relative pronoun, then they have their own subject and they have their own predicate. Okay, subject and predicate શોધી કાઢવાનું group of words માંથી, and જો હોય subject and predicate, it means they are close. Okay, now let's find out noun clause. I earn whatever I can. Now see, whatever I can, here I is a subject and can is a predicate. Okay, so subject and predicate both are there, so it is clause, and it is work as a object of a verb, so it is a noun. Okay, so noun પણ છે, clause પણ છે, so it become noun, clause. Now second one, she fears that she will fail. So that she will fail is a noun, clause. Why? Because it starts with relative pronoun that, it has its subject she, it has its predicate will fail. So subject છે, predicate છે, and relative pronoun પણ છે. Okay, so it is a clause. We can easily find out clause. Then why it is noun clause? Because the group of word is a object of a verb fears. Fear નું object છે. Okay, so they are work as a noun. So noun પણ છે, clause પણ છે. So શું થયું? Noun, clause. Now third one, I do not know who he is. So who he is a noun, clause, because who is a relative pronoun, he is subject, and is predicate. So subject, predicate both are there, and relative pronoun is also there. It is a phrase, sorry, it is a clause. And then who he is work for know. Know what? Know who he is. Okay, so it is work as a object of the verb, so it is a noun. So noun and clause, so noun, clause. I went to see what had happened. So what had happened is noun, clause. So how it is clause? Then it starts with relative pronoun what, it had its subject had, and predicate happened. Okay, so it's had its subject and predicate, and it starts with relative pronoun, so it is a clause, and it work as the object of the verb see, so it is a noun. So noun and clause means noun, clause. Now it seems that he is a sportman. So in this sentence, that he is a postman is a noun, clause. Why? Because that is relative pronoun, he is subject, and is a postman, predicate. Okay, so this is a clause, and it work as a object of a verb seems, so it is a noun. So this group of word is work as a noun and clause also. So noun and clause, it is noun, clause. Okay, now rest of the sentence you have to do here. Okay, this sentence, try yourself, okay, and check your answers in answer key. Now second exercise, pick out the noun clause in each sentence. Also mention whether it acts as a subject or an object. This is an important exercise. Okay, it may be asked in exam. So tell me, so you have to find out whether the noun clause and whether the noun clause is act as subject or object. એ પણ find out કરવાનું છે. Okay, so let's find out noun clause. Now tell me where she is. So where she is a noun clause. Okay, clause શા માટે થયું? It start from the relative pronoun where થી સ્ટાર્ટ થાય છે, relative pronoun છે. Okay, it is a clause, and એમ નહીં સમજ પડે તો subject she આપ્યું છે, leaves એનું predicate આપ્યું છે. Okay, so subject and predicate છે, it means it is a clause. And now as whether it's work as subject or object, okay, find out. Now tell me. So tell is a verb. So tell what? Where she lives. So tell what? Where she lives. Okay, so what question આવ્યો છે? what question ના આન્સર તરીકે આપણને ગ્રુપ ઓફ વર્ડ્સ છે આપણને ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કર્યા છે, where she lives. Okay, so it works as the object of a verb tell. Okay, tell એ verb છે અને એનું object તરીકે વર્ક કરે છે. Okay, mostly we can see that all the objects are after verb, and all the subjects are come before verbs. Okay, all the objects are mostly come after verbs and mostly subjects are come before verbs. Okay, so you can easily find out. So that is the easy trick. Now second one, can you guess what it is? So what it is a noun clause and guess is a verb. Guess what? So what it is, so it work as a subject of a verb guess. So sorry, it work as a object of a verb guess. Object તરીકે વર્ક કરે છે. So okay, and verb ની પાછળ આપ્યું છે. So we can say easily that it is work as a object. Now I always do whatever is right. Now whatever is right is a noun clause અને do is a verb. Verb ની પાછળ આપ્યું છે, means કે it is a work as an object. Okay, we ask her how old she was. So how old she was is a noun clause. Okay, and whether it works as subject or object. So verb ni pachad, ask is a verb. A verb ni pachad આપ્યું છે, it means it work as a object. Now fifth one, that she will come back is certain. So that she will come back, okay, it is clearly we can see that the whole the group of word is come before the verb. Verb ની આગળ આવ્યા છે. So whether this group of words is a noun clause and that he will come back, this group of word is a noun clause and a verb is ની આગળ આવ્યા છે. So they are called subject of a verb is. Okay, એ સબ્જેક્ટ તરીકે વર્ક કરે છે. નાવ 6.1, I don't know what I should do. So what I should do is a noun clause. So I is a subject, should do is a predicate. Okay, so it is a clause and it work as a object or subject. So no is a verb. Verb ના પાછળ આપ્યું છે. So it is a work as a object of a verb. Okay, આપણે ક્વેશ્ચન કરીને પણ જોઈ લઈએ. Know what? So know what I should do. Okay, so what question ના આપણને આન્સર તરીકે મળ્યો છે. So if the group of words are get as the answer of the question what, at that time they are work as the object of the verb. Okay, so it is the object of a verb. So I hope you understand now, and rest of the sentences find out your own yourself, try yourself and check out the answers from the answer key. Now let's see the next exercise. Supply a suitable noun clause for each sentence. Now you have make your own noun clause here, but the group of words should be close. So there should be a relative pronoun, there should be a subject and there should be a predicate also. Then and then the group of words can become close. Okay, so remember that. So I think now what are the noun clause? So I think that she loves me. So that is a relative pronoun, she is a subject and loves me predicate. Okay, so it is a noun clause. Now this is just then what is suitable? This is just what I had expected. So what is a relative pronoun? I, subject, had expected, predicate. Subject and predicate both છે. Okay, so it is a clause and now it is a noun clause, suitable noun clause. Okay, he told me that he would help me. So that relative pronoun, he is subject and would help me, it is predicate. So subject આવ્યું છે, predicate આવ્યું છે, both are there. So it is a clause and it become the noun clause. Okay, I don't know how I can convince you. So how I is a subject and can convince you is predicate. So subject and predicate is there, so it is become a clause and the whole group of word is become a noun clause. Okay, tell me that I have pardoned him. Okay, I is a subject, that is relative pronoun, I is subject, have pardoned him is a predicate. So subject is there, predicate is there, so it is a clause and whole the group of word is become the noun clause. Okay, now rest of the sentence and blanks fill your own and try yourself, then check the answers from answer key. Now next exercise, in the following sentence replace noun phrases by suitable noun clause. This is also important exercise. Okay, here in all the sentence noun phrase is given, you have to convert noun phrase into noun clause. Okay, noun phrase આપ્યા છે, તમારે noun phrase માંથી શું કન્વર્ટ કરવાનું છે? noun clause બનાવવાનું છે. Okay, now let's see. He confessed his guilt. Now his guilt is a phrase. now એને clause બનાવવું હોય તો શું કરવું પડશે? he confessed, આપણે શું ઉમેરવું પડે? રિલેટિવ પ્રોનાઉન ઉમેરવું પડે, સબ્જેક્ટ ઉમેરવું પડે એન્ડ પ્રેડિકેટ ઉમેરવું પડે. ઓકે, સો લેટ્સ સી. he confessed that he was guilt. okay, he is a subject, was guilt is a predicate. okay, that is a relative pronoun. તો relative pronoun આવી ગયું, subject આવી ગયું and predicate પણ આવી ગયું. okay, so the whole group of word is become now noun clause. okay, so noun phrase માંથી noun clause બની ગયો. okay, I know him to be trustworthy. okay, now him to be trustworthy is noun phrase. now we have to make the noun phrase to, now we have to convert the noun phrase into noun clause. okay, so for that we have to put at first a relative pronoun, that I know that. okay, relative pronoun આવી ગયું, I know that he is trustworthy. okay, I know that he is trustworthy. he is a subject and is trustworthy is predicate. okay, relative pronoun આવી ગયું. okay, relative pronoun is also there, subject is also there and predicate is also there, so it become a noun clause. now fourth one, I predict a change in the weather. a change in the weather is a noun phrase. now we have to convert this phrase into clause. okay, so at first add relative pronoun that. so I predict that the weather will change. okay, the weather will change. here the weather is a subject and will change is a predicate. okay, so relative pronoun is there, subject is there and predicate is there also, so the whole group of word is become noun clause. okay, fifth one, his friends hoped for his success. so for his success is noun phrase. now we have to convert this phrase into clause. okay, clause બનાવવાનું. so at first add relative pronoun, his friends hoped that. okay, add here relative pronoun that, then subject, his friends hoped that he would success. okay, his friend hoped that he would success. okay, his friends hoped that he would success. okay, so now it become relative clause. okay, is there a relative pronoun? yes, that is relative pronoun. he is subject and would success is predicate. so relative pronoun, subject and predicate all are there, so whole the group of word are become now noun clause. okay, now sixth one, his arrival was quite unexpected. okay, so at first use or add relative pronoun that he would arrive. okay, that he would arrive was quite unexpected. okay, that he would arrive, so that relative pronoun, he subject and would arrive predicate. okay, so relative pronoun, subject and predicate all are there, so whole the group of word become noun clause. okay, so just like this all the rest of the sentence do your own and yourselves and check the answers from the answer key. okay, students, I hope you understand and know phrase and clause very well. okay, students, take care, stay home, stay safe.